Hi inJoypreneurs! May recipe kami sa inyo na mapapa. Pwede pala yun? Potato crackers with inJoy praise fries. For our ingredients, we will be mixing together 1/3 cup of inJoy praise fries powder, 1/4 cup flour, a pinch of chili powder or inJoy seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2/3 cup of warm water. Now let's form into a dough and boil for 20 minutes. After boiling, refrigerate for 6 hours. Slice into thin strips or desired thickness for your chips. Fry until crispy. Based on our trial, you can sun-dry the sliced chips for a day for a longer shelf life and crispier outcome. Try nyo na sa inyong business, inJoypreneurs. Comment below your thoughts and suggestions. Thanks for watching. Bye!